Boys and girls, I wanted to share with you today a feature that is accessible to you. If you ever need help with your social studies online textbook, if you scroll to the bottom after you've selected your textbook and it opens up, there's an area that says Student Help. Okay, you click there, and then you're going to access the platform Help for Realize. Okay, now if you have questions about completing an assignment, using Bookshelf, things of that nature, this is where you can find information to help you, okay? So let's just click Complete an Assignment. Here, help me to complete an assignment. Okay, it's going to open up and give you some steps to take to get to your assignment, okay? When you open an assignment activity, the contents of the assignment display in an assignment viewer. So it just gives you some information about completing assignments, okay? I'm going to go back and let's look at getting started with Realize, okay? This will help you if you are totally brand new to looking at your social studies book, okay? And so it gives you an opportunity here to explore your home page. You can look at the different programs that Ms. Johnson has selected for you, and right here is where you can access your assignments. So you would click, and in order to view your assignments, it says to click the Classes tab on the top menu bar, okay? Then you should come to an Assignment tab, and when you select that, you will be able to see the assignments that have been dropped in your box from me. It'll show whether you've started it or not, whether you started it and you had to maybe step away because mom or dad called for you to do something, or it will show that you've already completed it, okay? And it says that on this page you can see and work with all the activities that I've assigned you, okay? And so again, it tells you that next to each assignment will be a due date and your score for the assignment, okay? So if you need to view your assignment, here we go. This is what your dashboard looks like, okay? And this is going to be an example of an assignment there. It's not yours, but this is just an example, okay? Once you click Classes up here at the top, and then you click Assignments, then the assignments will show here. And then again, it will have a due date and whether you've started it, whether you haven't started it, or whether you've completed it or not, okay? So if you want a little bit more information about the assignment, you can click the Assignment Details, okay? And that's where if I've added any extra comments or directions for you, that will be what that particular tab holds, okay? And so you have all types of information here at your fingertips. So please, 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 in your free time, do go in and, kind of move around and take a tour of this textbook, okay? And if you haven't done your scavenger hunt from the first week of school, you still have until next Friday to get it done, okay? All right, I sure do hope that this helps with you accessing your assignments in your Easy Bridge Social Studies online textbook.